morning, students. How are you? Dear children, in this slide you can see different pictures. Can you tell me where do we use these things like crest, like bridle, sword, military tank, armor? Yes, in battleground. Now, who are these? These are soldiers, and the group of soldiers is known as troops. So, dear children, who protect our country, who protect us? Of course, soldiers, policemen, different military forces. These brave soldiers always ready to protect us, and sometimes they sacrifice their lives also. So, dear children, in today's session, I shall teach you a poem about soldier, and the name of the poem is The Fallen Soldier. What is the meaning of fallen? Fallen means killed in battle. So, this is the poem about the sacrifice made by a soldier. I will explain the poem stanza wise. Fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home, trickling down his face a tear, forgetting how it feels to fear. Death and all its fate and glory, now it's here, no need to worry. So, my dear children, in this stanza, the poet describes the feeling of a soldier who has fallen while fighting, means who has killed in a battlefield. He is all by himself, far away from home. Here he is all alone. He is wounded with no help. He is injured. Tears fall down his face, his hand in near. So he does not feel fear anymore. He knows that he will die, he will sacrifice his life. So he has no fear. So I already told you the meaning of fallen means killed in battle. And what is the meaning of trickling? Trickling means a liquid flowing in a thin and gentle stream. So children, here the poet has associated the word death with glory. Why? Because he wants to show how death, that is sacrifice and living selflessly for one's country, makes the soldier a hero after he dies for the country and brings him glory. Now the next stanza is fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. He is one of those they will all forget. The life he lived, the goals he set, the ones he loved, the ones who wait to see his nearly forgotten face. Now, in this stanza, the fallen soldier who is far from home knows he will be forgotten as one of the many who dies fighting for their country. Here, what does the poet mean when he says he is one of those they will all forget? By saying this, the poet wants to emphasize the fact that the soldier would soon be forgotten by his loved ones and others because he has been away from them and is now embracing death all alone. There are many like him, so soon people will forget him too. No one will remember him, his aim, the people he loved, or those close ones who may be waiting for him to return home. Means anything that was important to him won't matter to anymore after some time. So, have you understood this stanza? Now, children, why has the poet repeated these lines, fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home, throughout the poem? By repeating, I will tell you, beta, by repeating these lines, the poet clearly conveys and emphasizes that the poem is about a soldier who has been injured out on the battlefield, far away from his own homeland, far away from his own homeland, from own dear and near ones. That's why the poet is repeating throughout the poem these two lines, fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. So, my dear children, have you understood these two stanzas? Now, today I will end with today I am ending this session with these two stanzas. Now, what you have to do? You have to write all the difficult words given in the slide 3 times in your classwork copy with good handwriting. With this, end of the session. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.